How to send HD videos on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can send HD videos on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to send HD videos on WhatsApp, open the WhatsApp application and then open up any random chat over here. In order to send a normal image, what you would do is tap the pin like icon from the bottom of the screen, then you would tap the option called gallery. And then you would normally select a photo here. After you select a photo, if you send this photo just like this, it will get sent in normal format. But if you want to send this in a high quality format, at the very top you can see the HD button. So when you tap the HD button, from the bottom you'll have two options to choose the photo quality. From here on, you can simply select the HD quality, and after that you can just hit the arrow icon in order to send this in a high definitive quality. This way you'll be able to send HD photos or videos on WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.